Good day everyone, my name is Cristian Gutierrez from section E017, reporting about chapter 3, the colors, coordinate, and conversation. Colors, coordinates, and conversation are important concepts in various fields, including graphic design, computer graphics, and digital imaging. Let's briefly explore each of these topics. Let's start with the colors. Colors are typically represented using a combination of primary colors, often in the RGB red, green, blue, or CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, color models. In the RGB models, each color is defined by a set of 3 values ranging from 0 to 255 for each channel, red, green, and blue. For example, the color white is represented as 255, 255, 255. Next one is coordinates. Coordinates are used to locate points in a space. In 2D space, points are defined by two coordinates, x and y, while in 3D space, 3 coordinates, x, y, and z are used. The origin 0, 0 is the point where the x and y axes intersect in 2D coordinate system. In computer graphics, screen coordinates are often used to represent position on the display, where the top left corner is typically 0, 0. The conversion. Conversion between color models may be necessary in certain applications. For instance, converting an RGB color to CMYK is important for printing purposes. Conversion between coordinate systems is common in graphics programming. Transformations such as translation, rotation, and scaling can be applied to objects in 2D or 3D space. Conversion between different units and examples is pixels to inches is also relevant in fields like web development and graphic designs. Okay guys, I'll show you the two fundamental types of digital image, the raster and vector, and give you the characteristic and uses case. Raster graphics. Raster graphics, also known as bitmap images, are composed of a grid of pixels. Each pixel has a specific color, and together they form the image. Common raster graphic formats include JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP. Characteristic. Resolution dependent. Raster images have a fixed resolution. Enlarging them can lead to a loss of quality and pixelations. Detail and realism. Well suited for detailed and realistic images such as photographs. File size. File sizes can be larger, especially for high-resolution images. Uses cases. Raster graphics are suitable for photographs, complex image with subtitle color variation, and detailed illustrations. Used in digital cameras, web images, and photo editing. For vector graphics. Vector graphics use mathematical equation to create shape like lines, circles, and polygons. They are defined by points, lines, curves, and other geometric primitives. Common vector graphic formats include SVG, IA, and EPS. For characteristic, resolution independent. Vector graphics can be scaled to any size without loss of quality. They are resolution independent. Editability. Since they are based on mathematical equations, vector images are highly editable. You can modify shapes, colors, and sizes without loss of quality. File size. Generally smaller than comparable raster images. Uses cases. Vector graphics are ideal for logos, icons, illustrations, and designs that require scalability. Used in graphic designs, logo creation, and situations where image need to be resized without losing quality. Choosing between raster and vector graphics depends on the specific requirements of the project and the characteristic of the images involved. Often, a combination of both types is used for different elements within a design.
Thank you for watching.